Okay, and today I am back in Adopt Me. I know I have not been back in Adopt Me for a very long time, but I actually just bought the anglerfish, so we will see you in the next video. Where inshallah I will buy the urban egg. So we're just gonna put. Yeah, there's a new egg called the urban egg, but let me just show.
Dumb, I didn't even get the Spinosaurus.
Okay, now we can just show you these pets. We have the Cronswari. I have heard of this animal before. I think it's like the dinosaur. Everyone calls it the dinosaur. So we also have the ring-tailed lemur, which I actually didn't. This is my first time ever looking at this.
Wait, what's a dinosaur?
People call this the dinosaur. Cronswari wary, but it's too expensive.
It's not even a dinosaur.
But okay, I'm just gonna do some tasks while I can upgrade my koi cap. With my koi cap. My last koi cap. So, you go get that koi cap. So what do we have? Skip that. Receive a rare in a trade. Let's trade somebody and see what they will offer. Let's trade someone and see what they would offer for my... Let's see what pets I have that I don't. What would they offer for a fur dodo? Let's trade this random person. Trade. Oh, only trades with friends? That's a bummer. Let's trade with this person. Trade. What will they offer for the Japan egg? Offer. Okay, this person is trading me this, it's my only one song. Okay, so that I just said it was my only one. Okay, I have an ox, but oh, okay. Let's just say one more. Plus ultra or less. Okay, let's see what they add. One more thing. Let's just see if they add something. That's like an ultra both there. I don't know how much the birthday butterfly is, but okay. Maybe like something from anything out.
Mostly don't know. Yeah, just which one you want. Ow. I'll go with you guys. I'm sorry.
Okay, let's see what they offer for. Offer. That's gonna be hard. Okay, let's see what they offer for an ocean egg.
Bro, I gave that
Raw. That's just a decline. Okay, we're just gonna be training some people. So, oh wait, people's dream pet to get a shadow dragon as well. So, wait, what time is it? Oh, okay, 9:30. I might have to go soon. But okay, I still have a name drag, so I guess that's okay. I didn't even hatch it much. I now the urban eggs here. So and then I'll show you all my eggs though, because this has mostly been trading about eggs. So egg, bro, it's not funny.
Yeah,
This is all my eggs. I still got the Zodiac minion egg. Wow. But it's not tradable.
It's not.
I don't think it is.
Then just try.
I'll try. But I need to end the video now because I need to get ready. So we'll see you in the next video, peeps. See ya!